I was looking at the unsaved file, so I just updated the file and I got the same. I'm sorry, the same node, but with the updated proof of concept. So so now we're gonna try the proof of concept. Here's gonna be the where I got the script, and I believe this is for Caleb Stewart's. And you can I did took the time to actually read the script before I tried it, but everything seems all good to go. Um, so I've already let me see. I think I've already got it here. So what we're gonna be doing next, we're going to be getting a remote shell via WinRM as the user F Smith, and he is part of the WinRM. Um, where is he? Somewhere I've my notes are clumsy when I do machines like this, but just know that the user F Smith is it's in the remote management system user, so he can definitely use do Evo WinRM. I don't have the auto completion enabled, so um, I'm gonna have to do it from scratch. The user of Smith password is the Strokes 23, and then you pass the target for your IP. Let's see. We're going to put this file. There's a couple ways that you can use WinRM. You can use upload and then upload that, or you can actually do in some situations you might not be able to use the upload option, but you can actually Python 3. You can just do wget and open up a server here, 80. Python. Oh, I need the module. I always forget about the module. Module is going to be that. Let's actually go to the C drive and let's make a directory called temp. Cd into temp. Make here temp. Oh, it already exists. Okay. Oh, I already got the script in there. So let me see if I can remove item. Remove item and then print nightmare dot ps1. And this is just to show you the entire walkthrough, I guess. So now you can do wget and do use basic. Let's use basic parsing your IP address 10.10.15.119, and the file that I want to transfer is going to be that. Paste, and then the output. Let's do print nightmare. Let's separate it. That ps1, and here we saw it came in graphic, so it's good to go. Sorry, There it is. So now let's say we want to do power up.psi. The other one you can do, the faster way you can do is upload and then do power up.ps1, uploading, and there it's going. So this is two ways that you can do this file transfers, and those are going to be on my file transfer note. Just know that that is helpful for whenever you're in a situation that you're not allowed to use upload. Have a couple ways to upload. You can also use curl, not curl, what is it called? HTTP certutail, and upload that way. But I've always used wget and host, and that doesn't give me a. I use it for the exam as well, the OSCP, and it works. Upload sometimes it works. So let me go back to here. So now let's go PrintNightmare. We have the script on that. So this is just to see who owns the file. So we can definitely try this first. But we already proven that we can write, that we can connect to that endpoint. And see, system administrators, entity authority. See, we already knew that the entity system owns it or runs a system authority. So that's just another way to confirm. What else we need to do? So now we can run the invoke the nightmare. So let's do that. Perfect. So PrintNightmare invoke using the file admin. So created like I said earlier, created a new account named admin. And then the password is that one. So it has to create a new identity, and that's the password. And add a user as a local administrator. So now we can do a couple things. We can definitely use one of the in-packet interactive shells. So we can do in-packet. Let's use PySec, and then we need to pass the I think the domain, which it was that one. Paste. Well, actually I have the command here for fast to make the video faster. Here it is. Let's just copy that. Let me make that here a little bit. So here we just pass an in-packet interactive shell using that one. The domain, your admin, that's the user that was created. The password that was provided, and then your target IP. I am not sure if my variable target is here. So it's not. So let's do a target. And the target is could just do release file. I think that was the target. Perfect. Now it should not it should run successfully. So let me see if we can rerun it. The command. In pocket. It failed. Let's try to otherwise. what happened. Let's see if we it's not did we not save it? Oh, you know what, because this is another window. So let's do target. That's what it was. Should have the IP. Now we can echo the target. Perfect. Now we can try it. There it is. Found under writable share in the admins share, since it is running as local administrator. So I created that. Use this endpoint for communication through RPC. And here's the shelf, anti-writable share admin. And who am I? I think I should be system authority. Perfect. Let's now try to do the same but with another interactive session. Let's do win WMI sec. I'm using version 3 of SMB to transport layer, so I don't know if that's gonna work. Probably not. Let's go back to, what do we use? SMB. Do we use PMSec? I think we use it. Let's use SMB as sec. No, that one SMB. Yeah, we're good to go. And this one, might take a little longer to get the because we're dumping all the System32 files, so it might take a little while. But the main thing is that the PrintNightmare work.